maybe even the first V.
All right.
Customer sent us some goodies.
Let's see what we got. Ooh, another big snack box.
What do we got going on here?
Some lean treats.
Liking that.
Right now.
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm going in on some Cheez-Its. Ritz.
Wait, these green things right here were the things KP got that day that were fucking really
Oh
hot.
my god, are they? Oh,
They're
really hot?
so good,
Really
dude. Oh, dude, you ever had these?
I don't know.
I don't know if I'm in on that.
He hooked you guys out with some good shit or what?
Yeah.
Oh, extra flaming hot Cheetos.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fucking cruising. I'm cruising like this down 95, you know, laid back, and I'm half asleep. All I hear is, ah! And I was like, what in the fuck is that? I look over and it's him.
Who the fuck do you think it was?
I'm like, no
What
doubt.
other asshole's driving like that in the morning?
Fuck nobody.
No, I saw you and I intentionally fucking.
Obviously. Gerald Stain.
There it is.
Is that mine? It's yours.
Fucking cunt.
Nice.
Couldn't shake his hand to thank him.
Yeah, I thought he was gonna come in for it. Went with the chocolate milk instead of the cappuccino, huh?
Yeah.
I like cappuccino.
I'm just scared of caffeine until 4 o'clock. Then I will take care of 2 months. Mom, they're still making fun of me.
God, these things are such an asshole to do valve springs on. I'm not looking forward to that.
I don't even know if you ever ended up even telling me what all you're doing to this. I know you did a
Cam
cam.
mat fuel system.
Gotcha. Okay. And you already got the cam and stuff and the ATI balancer on.
Alright, I think I want to put the radiator back in. I think I want to do that.
Blower's ported already, isn't it?
Does it look ported?
Yes.
You got it.
Eric just got done wrapping up the valve springs. Nice shiny new Jones in there.
God, do you listen to that? Would you just listen to it? It's incredible.
What is different underneath from the coupe and sedan?
All I can tell you is there's just not a hole that goes through up front.
Oh, okay.
It sucks. Because now I'm really going to have to open this hole up right here to really get 2 lines through there. But I've done it before, so I'll do it again.
See, the fuel system's coming along pretty nicely. You already got it tapped.
Yeah, she's plumbed.
Oh yeah.
Looking nice.
He's looking nice. He got ran up through there.
Yeah.
He's up and over.
Yeah, the feed goes here.
I see.
Feed goes up to the pump, return here, and then goes up top to the engine bay. Oh, yeah, this turned out sweet. First coupe I've done, I think, with the new line. Maybe even the first V. Matt almost lost a foot.
You alright? These are still just the lines for the meth controller you're running, right?
Yep. This is just my battery wire and my tank, the pump wire. So it needs, therefore it needs to come to the back. But that's the easy part, is getting it through there. The hard part is getting it under the carpet and down to where I need it to be. This is why the seat's out. Fighting this, dude, is miserable. I remember the last one I did must have been like a flood car or something.
All right, 2011 CTSV that we did before for another customer. I don't remember what we did then. I think it was just all bolt-ons. But this time it got a full cam package, 9-1 lower balancer, a heat exchanger, our fuel system, our meth kit, and transportation from Indiana. So, we'll see what she makes. one more because I don't know when the meth came on. I'm gonna look at the light. I think it might have just needed to be purged. Hold on, this heat exchanger needs to be bled. All right, let's try this again. Eric filled it up, parked it, I guess you could say. Can you turn the meth like way down? .661, 643 torque, makes 17 pounds. This is getting pump end E, so. I love watching fight videos, they're the best. .677, 633. I actually think that thing needs to be bled again a little bit. Sometimes these heat exchangers suck to bleed. Like, they literally just take forever. I guess it already had a ported blower on it, is my guess. Yes, just a standard port, not an export. Yeah, this was done before Kong even had the export originally. We did this car in like 2019, I think. Put a little bit more coolant in it. Let's see what we got. I changed some stuff around in the tune too. .683. Right, I'm just gonna make another pull. I'm not changing anything. I adjusted the meth. That's why I want to make another pull without changing anything in here. .675 that time, back-to-back pull, but I wanted the meth to come on a little earlier. That's all. I'm probably gonna let it cool and then make a final pull and pump, and then put some E in it. I'll be back. All right, cold pull and pump. Not crazy pull, but I let it cool down for like 20 minutes. .690, 651 torque. I'm just gonna make sure the trans shift's good, and then we'll dump E in it. It looks like I have auto upshift set in this, so let's check. Can you put some more VHT down? I like barely got full throttle. I like it was rolling into it, trying to get it to like hook before I went full throttle, and I like barely went full throttle and then it tried shifting, so. Gotta adjust it a little bit. Better. Yeah, you can dump the E and see what it does on E. Got 50% in it. Real rich there. I don't know why. Hold on, let me look. .733. 685 torque, picked up a ton of torque. Garrett's grabbing batteries and shit, we'll be right back. 741, 701 torque. .742, 704. All right, let's try 3.4. Then we're gonna do a cold pull in the morning. Shifts good. I'll see you in the morning, I guess. All right, next day, final pull. Let's do it. I don't know why it showed it was so rich there. I don't know why the fuck all of a sudden it's like 10-0 in the middle of the pool. .747, about all this thing's got. I already did trans, so it's good. This thing's going back to Indiana. And I just made another quick pull and I didn't have the camera on because I wasn't expecting to, and it made 755, 713. That's it. Later.